Problem based on park corners. Two entry gates of a rectangular park are located at 2, 1 and 8, 5. Find the distance between the gates. So here I'll consider one gate as like A, and it is located at 2, 1, and another gate B 8, 5. So I need to find the distance between these two. I'll consider these points as like x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I find the distance between these two gates. So AB, the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if I'll substitute the values to find the distance between AB, x2 value is here 8 minus x1 is 2 whole square. Y2 is 5 minus y1, if you'll see it's minus 1, so minus of minus it will be plus 1. Or you can write this way, minus of minus 1 whole square. So it will be 8 minus 2, 6 square, 5 minus of minus 5 plus 1 whole square. So 36 plus 5 plus 1, 6 square. So 36 plus 36. See this, my advice is like if you write 36 plus 36 2 times 36. So it will be easy to conclude the answer, like 6 root 36 is 6 and root 2. 6 root 2 units. The distance between two gates is 6 root 2 units. Or otherwise you can write 36 plus 36. You can write as 72. And if you do prime factors of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So now if you take like 2 as a pair, it's like 2. So 1, 2 and 3 we can write outside, 2 into 3 into root 2. So 6 root 2 units. So the distance between the gates AB is 6 root 2 units.